Commomy 3D Wall Tile. Redefine your wall decoration. Commomy 3D Wall Tile is a revolutionary product that combines functionality and aesthetics to meet all your wall decoration needs. Featuring a water and heat-resistant design, it is suitable for various environments including kitchens and bathrooms, without worrying about damage from moisture or high temperatures. The strong adhesive backing simplifies the installation process, firmly adhering to the wall surface without the need for complicated tools or additional adhesives. Its easy-to-cut property allows you to customize the tile size and shape according to your specific requirements, making it suitable for any wall area. Weighing less and offering more flexibility compared to traditional tiles, the stunning 3D embossed texture adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space, creating a unique visual impact. In summary, Commomy 3D Wall Tile is your ideal choice for a hassle-free, durable, and beautiful wall decoration solution. Upgrade your walls with Commomy and enjoy the perfect combination of quality and style.